That's our fair share. Times 50. Holy moly. Look at this.
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
On that voting, comments on that, and the betting times here. Don't forget you can place your bets on all of the bonus games with just one button, and also all of the numbers with another button. Alright, final seconds. And the betting time's over now. Hello? This is gonna be your last one with me. Alright, let's see what you do in the last one. We're gonna end this session. We're gonna end this session really beautifully. Look at that. We're gonna open that big red door. Aw, isn't that cute? Alright guys, come on in with me. Welcome to the big wheel. Alright, it is your time to choose green, blue, or yellow flapper. If you do not choose one, the game's going to assign one to you automatically, so you can decide if you want that responsibility of choosing your now. So far, most of you have decided on the blue one. Alright, the max multiplier is 100x. Let's get the max, right? Alright, double for the blue one. Let's double everything and go again. Alright, the max multiplier now is at 200x. Let's go, guys.
Have a good one. Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vicky, and that was indeed a great way you have to say goodbye. I'm not talking about that. Okay, that was my last one. Bye-bye. I'm talking about 200x she gave to you. That's great. Congratulations to all the winners. That crazy time was just marvelous. And yeah, betting time is over now by 5. Get 3x.
TOPSLOT 50X rinse down to boy 33CP. Congratulations, guys. With that, let's spin it again. Everything from the beginning here, guys. Wish you the best of luck. I can buy me some flowers from a name and sand. Crazy time, 4X. 4X, crazy time. Crazy time, 4X. Woo! Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Let's go. This is huge, ladies and gentlemen. 4 times on a board. Woo-hoo! JB, are you still here? Yeah, 4 times multiplied. We got it here, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. All right, now it's time to choose a flopper. Let's go. Mr. Flowers, make it count, right, again? Oh, this has more chances to be better than it was Apache, right? Hey, are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? We're going to spin it! Woo-hoo! 200x on a green and on a blue flap. Okay, Aberracha, Mr. Flowers, congratulations. 200x's, guys, for all of you. 6,111 winners we got here, guys. Green and blue, guys, for the win, actually. Knights lead down 200x's, my people. Congratulations for that. That was pretty good, guys. Another crazy.
And asking me how was my day. I'm not happy about these number ones, but I know that we can at least have a great conversation while waiting for one. Why said you're so beautiful? Thank you, Lime. It's in the summer TOPSLOT, why always one? It's not always one, but hopefully as soon as possible bonus round will happen. I know that we need that for sure. And as I have said it, after warm-up, Slider, you're beautiful but not lucky. Ding dong, your opinion is wrong. We got it. That's beautiful. But hopefully it's gonna be lucky one actually. Vamos a la playa. Vamos to a bonus round. And we have 2x to start with. 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 200 as well. 200x is the highest one. Good luck. With this work, we'll see what will happen to us. Hi, Bingo Plus. Better one, and... Or funky, Anna. I enjoy more funky. That's not a secret anymore. I do enjoy funky more. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just being honest now. Yes. I am there too. What's the coin flip with 4x? Only psychos. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, that's a coin flip. Oh, this is a crazy 10. That's a coin flip with 4x TOPSLOT multiplier. How old I am? You can try to guess how old I am. 2x on the red side, 50x on blue side with 4x TOPSLOT multiplier, 8x on the red side, 200x on blue side. Huh. She's just a kid. And I was laughing. Side of my head when I was reading that and pressing that button. 2,695 winners, congratulations. I'm not 22, by the way. I'm 21. Okay, guys. Thank for an amazing session. That was kind of nice to watch. Okay, let's move on right now. How are you doing, ladies and gentlemen? I can see there's a cash on with 50x. TOPSLOT, guys, so let's try to catch it. Oh my goodness, what have I done? We have a cash on with 15x TOPSLOT on top. Let's enjoy. Alright, welcome. Welcome everybody. It's so funny, 50x TOPSLOT on top. So that's supposed to be huge, no? Alright, 50x. Woo! Let's see, 1,500x. That's our highest multiplier here. So what we're gonna do, I guess we're gonna mix all those multipliers like we did it before, like we usually do. So, and then, boom, we stop. It's not your decision, ladies and gentlemen. All we need to do, just pick up one emoji, pick up one segment or something, and you will see what's gonna be next. Of course, if you're too afraid to do by yourself to pick up, there's always auto option. No worries, guys. We're thinking about everything here. Woo! Where is 1,500x multiplier? I can't find it. Oh, here. Congratulations to everyone. Also crazy time with 3x.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's a crazy time with 3x top slot multiplier. Woohoo! Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, decision time. You need to choose one of the flapper. Green, blue, yellow. Which one do you like the most? Of course, blue is the most popular one. Final seconds. And the maximum multiplier is 300x. We got a double on yellow flapper. Oh, maximum 500, 600 dice. Oh, 105x on green, 75x on blue, 600x on yellow. Wow. 2,831 winners. Congratulations. Let's go back. Please place your bets and wish you best luck in the next round. Woohoo! Yay! I know button was good luck. What do you mean? Better to hit it than to say it. That's the coin flip. I don't think I would like to ski, actually. I think skiing is something I would like to do, but snowboarding, on the other hand, seems awesome. Not sure why. That's a 50x cash on there. Bruh. Everybody? We got ourselves a cash hunt. Little tiny small cash hunt with our 50x multiplier. Please have 500x. Please have 500x. Hello. Please. Oh, that's 100. Well, it's still gonna do it for us. Times 50. Holy moly. Look at this. So, I can't speak. How you guys doing? I'm doing great right now. That's. Anyway, decision time. Shoot. There's a lot of gold you ain't missing. You ain't missing in this one. This one's safe. So, yeah. I'm shaking. I'm gonna shoot that duck right here. Let's reveal. 750 for me. Where's the 5k? I have no idea. Can somebody tell me? But 9 of you guys.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.